Alright, today's the big day. We're gonna dig up the potato bed and see how many potatoes we got. I've got a couple of helpers. I've got Jade. Hello. And then Tyler, Jade's boyfriend. I think, here's the plan, guys. I'm just gonna, like, some of this stuff right here, I don't know what this is. I think it might be a bean that I planted, but I don't know for sure. Move some of this. Just move up a little bit of the hay here.
So this video was actually recorded months ago, back in the middle of July. I believe this day is July 10th, and I have just procrastinated on editing this video. You'll find out soon enough why. So, as I was pulling this one up, I could see all the teeny tiny little potatoes on the root of the potato vine. So I decided just to stick it back down in the ground to try to let them grow a little bit more. These plants did flower, and it has been 2 to 3 weeks since they flowered. So I thought it was time to start digging. But the plants themselves hadn't died back, so I think next year I'm not going to touch my potato bed until everything has died back. Even if it's been several weeks after flowering, I'm going to wait till the vines are dead.
Look what I found!
Alright, so you... Alright.
I'm not sure how it's supposed to be.
This is only the second
I
time
found
I've done
this potato.
Okay.
And this is a baby.
Now dig down in the dirt and see if there's any more down in there.
Oh, okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. Let's see what else is in here.
What kind is that? That's...
A
There's the
potato.
marker. The marker, this is... Well, that's definitely not Adirondack Blue, so Adirondack Blue must be over here.
Yeah. Okay, here's another little nugget.
Oh.
And more baby nuggets.
Here's a bunch.
A bunch?
Woo! There's some taters!
Woo! Basket, basket.
Oh, there's a big one.
There's another one. Baby.
There's one.
Oh, that one's a good...
Ew, what's that? Ew, somebody get
It's
that
rotted.
one?
That might be the one that I planted. Sometimes that one will rot.
I got one. A baby.
Oh, that one was a good one.
Cow. That's a fatty.
Oh.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Pull these up?
Yeah. Ooh, now there's the Adirondack Blue.
That's so fun. Get a close up of this bad boy. They look iridescent.
They're kind of very small, though.
This one, what's wrong with that one?
That's probably the one I planted.
Oh.
Is
Do you want it
like
back?
rotten? Yeah, that one I planted.
You don't want it? You want it?
No. Be careful, don't drop them like that because... Boy, they're little. Get your... cover that back up.
This?
Yeah.
Why?
That one's not done yet. Don't go any far over that way. I don't think they're ready.
This one needs pulled. Ugh.
There's a lot of ones that are hiding.
Yeah, you gotta get down in there.
These are just babies.
I don't know what it is. I just seem to be able to grow like little inky dinky ones. They're not decent sized.
I want a big one. go over here? Like right here?
Is there no more right here? Oh, here's one.
Oh, I found one.
Hi.
Oh, here's one. Little baby. Oh, here's a purpley one. Let's see.
Oh, purple!
Oh.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh, this is a good one here, maybe.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Ooh.
What does this one do? Oh my gosh.
Look. at
Yeah.
this one.
Look at these bad boys. That's a big boy there. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, did I pull them up too soon? Oh, oh, oh. Look at that. Okay, we'll probably pull up some of them, but not all of them, because definitely not ready.
This looks like one you planted.
Is it rotten?
It looks dumb.
It might be a different variety, though.
No. It just looks stupid.
I don't know. I think I might be pulling them up too soon.
So I ended up deciding to wait a little bit longer to pull up the rest of them. I waited 2 more weeks, I believe. They were just, a lot of them were just quite small.
You missed a big one. What are you doing? Jade?
Holy crap. Just a bunch of purple ones.
I didn't look up there.
Ew. Oh, I just put my hand through a rotten one. That's nasty. Over here.
So it's now 2 weeks later, and I've got my husband as my helper.
I don't know what to do.
All right, right here is a thing, right? See, look at the potatoes on the thing. They're
About it.
all right there. Those are supposed to be potatoes, each one of these.
They're not.
Do you see that? Why didn't those make potatoes? All I got is like that. Like, what the heck?
Okay, so what do I do? This one.
Squirrel buried a peanut. I could have had a peanut.
Weigh that basket first.
So we got them all separated and then we weighed them individually. So I got 6 pounds, 3 ounces for the red potatoes. I got 1 pound, 12 ounces of purple Majesty. The ones that did the best were Yukon Gold. I got 7 pounds, 3 ounces of those. Butterball, I got 6 pounds, 6 ounces. I got 2 pounds, 1 ounce of Adirondack Blue and 3 pounds, 12 ounces of Gold Rush. I started with 11 pounds and I ended with roughly 27 pounds. So all in all, not the greatest harvest, but I did end up with more than what I started with, so it wasn't a failure. And just because this wasn't what I wanted it to be, that's not going to stop me. I am going to plant again for a fall harvest. So I'm just going to keep trying. I'll never learn if I just give up. So right away we took some of these upstairs, one of like each kind, cut them up and stuck them into the air fryer. And some of them were so pretty. Like the Zoe Red looks like a radish. It's really pretty in color. So, and there was the finished bowl of air fried potatoes. They were yummy. So second round of potatoes planted. It is July 17th. And this time I'm putting the labels in the front so that they don't get lost in the dirt. In the beginning row here, red Pontiac. Second one over is purple Viking. This one is purple Magic. Yukon Gold, these 2 rows. This one is Huckleberry Gold. This one is German Butterball. French Classic Fingerling. And Montana is at the end. And one of these is like rotten, but I'm going to plant it just to see if, like, I don't know if any of these eyes are going to do anything, because there's a little bit of, and it's a little mushy, but I doubt it does anything. But I'm going to put it in the ground anyway, so it'll feed the dirt. So what I'm doing now is I'm just burying the potatoes. I just laid them down and now I'm just covering them with some dirt. And then I'm going to do a layer of compost.